Vinaka, and welcome back as we return now to live coverage of the state funeral for the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau. As we see before us the chiefly island of Bao Island, where the waters around it take on a different stillness, not of silence, but of anticipation. This is not simply a crossing of the sea, but a return to one of the most storied and revered centers of Fijian chiefly heritage. Bao Island, the cradle of political consolidation in Fiji's pre colonial history, rises from the ocean, not merely as land, but as memory made visible. It is here that chiefly authority was refined, where alliances were shaped, and where the protocols of Vanua and the leadership were deeply anchored into the Fijian identity. To arrive here is to enter a space where history is not remembered, it is actively lived.
Epeli ni marabu nandele ni waisiliva ene no turanga membao ene no rawara kitiko no turanga ni tuke ni solava mera sokota telani bondua ene yoti ni ngona na bara bitu toka rando sokota ni ndo ngona rawawa to mai vale o ira na bibe kani ene no na tandu lesiani mera lagi bo dingo bondua kena tiu ko sa waro te tu na veita lai bo Vanua o mate ni tu bo lotu e bo e vero vani tu ke ni songalava na presidente bo de ngoni na mate ni tu e ke lai mai mbulu ka ke lai mai langi na tangi ni Vanua to malu na ke na uda na dambe ver na bo ro na le ni Vanua ke na bo no di har sawa butu er na le ni mate valu e wai mate valu Vanua bo ki na er na wani buli e na rara me na ko menene no turanga mai mbau ana kena wara kiti kone lolo o turanga ana nono na soko take ani bo malua soko ngalu yani nei tuke nei somalava solitu na kena raki ana bugo ni no reabe tuke ani wer na turanga bali wer na lin benu wer na bo lisi bo mati ni tu ene yoti ni ngona merle ki bori taga no boru roko na no bo mode wana turanga nei tuke nei somalava.
घर की वह दीवारें जो भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ की मुस्कुराहट और उनकी बातों की गवाह रही है, आज अपने सबसे प्रिय सदस्य की अंतिम वापसी का इंतजार कर रहा है। फिजी के झंडे में लिपटा उनका पार्थिव शरीर अब अपने निवास स्थान के करीब जाने वाला है। यह वह चौखट है जहां से उन्होंने जनसेवा का संकल्प लेकर प्रस्थान किया था और आज वे उसी आंगन में एक आखिरी बार लौट रहे हैं। आज सुबह की गलियों से होते हुए जब एल्बर्ट पार्क सुबह में प्रार्थना सभा हुई, सुबह की गलियों में लोगों ने उनको अंतिम सलामी दी और उनका पार्थिव शरीर अब बाहु द्वीप के करीब पहुंचने वाला है। फिजी के इतिहास का एक अध्याय आज समाप्त हो रहा है। रतु एपेली ने न केवल राष्ट्रीय रूप से बल्कि एक राजनीतिज्ञ और सैनिक कमांडर के रूप में देश की जो सेवा की, उसे आने वाली पीढ़ियां हमेशा याद रखेंगी।
As the vessels carrying the remains of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau will approach the shore, the reception is marked not by spectacle, but by reverence. The presence of traditional custodians and the assembled Vanua all signal that this is a moment governed by protocol older than the modern state itself. Every movement is measured, every gesture is intentional, every silence is meaningful. The waters that separate Mbao from the mainland are crossed in a spirit of solemn duty. On the shore, the people of Mbao stand not as spectators but as guardians of tradition, waiting to receive one of their own whose life's journey has spanned both customary authority and national service. Once the cortege will be received on Bao Island, it is then going to be guided towards the Vatanawake, the sacred resting place where the journey pauses. This is not an end point, but a moment of repose, a place where the weight of passage is gently set down, if only briefly, before the next stage of farewell. At Vatanawake, time itself appears to slow. The atmosphere is defined by dignity and restraint, and the presence of the casket is acknowledged with full ceremonial gravity, as is befitting a life that has moved across the highest levels of military service, governance, and chiefly responsibility. Here is the resting point. The Vanua holds vigil.
Ena non rei tala no tu I rana ngwane randono maka na ngaunongo na singani kua na veka era reida na veka era sarava na veka era rongava na non ramai talavi tu bondua na turanga ni tu keni songlava sa lala na songlava sa mai tambalesi na visu ni vanua o kumbuna sa wakarotu na no turanga mai kumbuna mai Bao merna dingomi na turanga ni tu keni songlava sa wakarotu Vatanawake merna lakin tabo wakalele kina ni bera ni ngali wage wondua ena Sautabu na turanga e uli ne veva karandambe ba ena boroko ira na marama ena buku ni no rawa teletonga ena kabini kuwa
भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ के घर के बाहर और अंदर ससके रोने वाले परिवार वाले उपस्थित है। यहाँ एक तरह का सन्नाटा है और जो चीख चीख कर कह रही है कि उसकी कमी का एहसास किया जा रहा है, जिसे कभी भी भरा नहीं जा सकेगा। बाओ द्वीप का नज़ारा आप देख रहे हैं। बाओ डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्कूल के जो छात्र हैं वहाँ पर उपस्थित है और उनका जो पार्थिव शरीर है उसका इंतज़ार अभी किया जा रहा है। कुछ देर में ये जो शव है बाओ द्वीप तक पहुँच जाएगा।
We joined again by the presence of a member of the RFMF. Lieutenant Colonel, welcome back to the proceedings for today. As we had seen earlier in the day with the state ecumenical service that was held at Albert Park in Suva, following that the funeral procession had marched through the streets of Suva, where people had lined up to pay their final respects and bid farewell to the late former president. There's some military protocols that were accorded that many may have missed out on, and there's some more to follow. Please give us an update on that.
Thank you very much, Geraldine. There's the whole procession process itself of the state funeral is heavily military centered. We have the marching of the deceased, the body of the late former president and commander-in-chief and commander of the Republic of Fiji military forces from the State House where he laid in state, moving on to Albert Park where the funeral service was accorded. Now we are on the screen, we're seeing the formation that is done at the island of Bao. Given the limited space at the island, we had to adjust the formation of the military protocol that has been accorded on the island. The guards itself, from 6 detachments, we have narrowed it down to 100 men, with 2 detachments, one of the Navy and one of the Army. The band remained at its full strength with the combination of both the Army and the Navy. Several military protocols will be accorded as the body is being carried out from the Vatanawake onto the Sautabu. As the protocol is being accorded, then explanation in regards to that protocol and its ancient history and context will be read out to the general public.
Santina sarer sa tuwarutunga nalini mativalu na bukuni waroro valu na bukuni vitavaki. Nonda tavaki ko na turanga na itoke na isongalala. Arsa ndabo ngalungalukoto karasa na Kosovo mai na Waisiliva kina anu kina matasau non matasau na turanga na rogo timbau na bunuer na labi mekina na ilaola ko turanga maikia sana ngole bon donsara kina mbure Vatanawake na banua erna laki ndabo to kina bakalekaleka nemberni nangai laki bada barisara na takataka ni baka sukangele kina kiuluina deba na Sautabu ene non Bao na non ritiko na buni balu turanga na buni balu na tuikamba.
आज भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति की वह अंतिम घर वापसी है, जहां कभी उनके स्वागत में खुशियों के दिए जलाए जाते थे और वापसी में लोग खुश हुआ करते थे, लेकिन आज उनके परिजन जो है शोक में डूबे हुए हैं। वह आंगन जहां कभी उनकी हंसी गूंजती थी, आज उनकी अंतिम झलक के लिए एक भारी सन्नाटे में डूबा हुआ है। सैनिक सम्मान के साथ उनके पार्थिव शरीर को सैनिक अपने कांधों पर वनवा के हवाले करेंगे। बाव द्वीप का हर एक कोना उदास है। फूलों के बीच उन्हें रखा जाएगा, जहां परिवार और मित्र उन्हें विदाई देंगे। ये भी जानकारी है कि 21 जो बंदूकें चलाने की जो सलामी है उन्हें दी जाएगी।
As we can see, members of the Vanua, mourners, family, kinsmen, comrades, and people of the nation hold their peace, their silence, and vigil as they await the body of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau to make its way into the Vatanawake. This is where the connection between the land, the sea, and the lineage is reaffirmed. Bao does not merely receive the cortege, it embraces it, anchoring the journey with deeper continuum of Fijian chiefly tradition. As the cortege rests at the Vatanawake, there will be a shared understanding among all who are present that this pause is temporary, but its meaning is enduring and everlasting. It is a moment that binds past to present and present to the unfolding rituals that will continue to honor a life of exceptional service and stature. At the sacred chiefly burial ground of Bao, Sautabu, the final rites for Ratu Epeli Nailatikau will be carried out within a space reserved for the highest expressions of Fijian chiefly tradition and ancestral continuity. This will not simply be a burial location. It is a consecrated, rested place where most senior figures of Bauan and the wider Fijian chiefly lineage are returned to the Vanua. Within its grounds lies a deep accumulation of history, authority, and spiritual custodianship, where generations of leadership have been laid to rest in accordance with strict customary protocol.
Nisana rito tungkori na norasa andabe toka na marama era mbika era marama mai na matanggali tuikamba era sambika toka na indabo waturang na Vanua era na mai indabo tali kina bakalekaleka na turanga tuki na isongalava nimbera ninga ingaravitiko na lakadaka ni baka sukangeli en kabindindai en lomani rara lomani kor da sa raiva ni sa sanga linga indo na vitu seki e boy doriti ko na ngongo ar san dambe ba no mundi me vi ko ngon indo ki vi ko ngasin dua en dambe ni bakaroko dambe ni bakanomundi salabata na ken isulu na ken isulu sulu eran dambe en mbati ni rara lama ni koro merawara katuna se vita baki en non raya vitumai na itauki na isongalada ersana ado ngalu mai sana sengene baka na ken irerai en benga una sauti sana sengambeka na matendendende sana sengambeka be bulataki ya ersana ngole ngalu mai na turanga tauki ni songlava sarna sengani bakila na bikasa sa bagai durito ka na lomani korre na ngonongo ya sarna tunga merna sartunga na lini bono merna baritaka na nonra lolosi kena non rundovata na buku ni ololo ni rarawa tarakoto na avanua kumbuna kapambimbi na bubali na isongolava.
बस कुछ ही मिनटों में जो पार्थिव शरीर है भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ का वो अपने निवास स्थान पर पहुंच जाएगा। यह वह दृश्य है जो पत्थर को भी पिघला दे। एक तरफ राष्ट्र का सम्मान और दूसरी तरफ अपनों का प्यार। यह नमन उस महान राजनेता को है जिसने अपने घर से अधिक इस देश को अपना परिवार माना। सौतांबू में उनका अंतिम संस्कार किया जाएगा। सेना द्वारा इनका जो शव है वो वनवा के हवाले किया जाएगा। उसके बाद कुछ रीति रिवाज के बाद उनको सौतांबू में दफनाया जाएगा।
Lieutenant Colonel, as we see the funeral cortege making its way across the waters in the stillness to Bao Island, we had mentioned that some military protocols will be accorded. Up on that vessel, we see members of the RFMF and the Navy as well. Tell us about how things will unfold once the vessel docks or berths.
Yeah, once the vessel berths, there is a certain naval protocol that is accorded to the deceased. The captain of the boat would then take a salute and allow the remains of the late former President, Commander and Commander-in-Chief of the Republic of Fiji Repose as it disembarks the moving vessel.
Sa bola kasara ni rakambi mai kina matasawan na nonra matasawan na turanga na rokutimbao na wanga baka turanga sa umbi to mai na isulu loloa me bari tatinga na lolosi ni banua baka kina na lolosi ni matinitu andana sarabatonga na ekabendendai na vingaravi ni mataivalu sengalenga ni mai labatiko ena matakongo ni sabadavar na lagdaka ni basukangel ni nalutu ni vi talati ni bosota ena mai badavar bondua na vingaravi ni mataivalu ni sanangaravi na lagdaka ni basukangel ena ekabendendai.
भले ही आज भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ का भौतिक शरीर अपनी इस अंतिम यात्रा पर है, पर उनकी पुण्य आत्मा हमेशा इस घर के आशीर्वाद के रूप में जीवित रहेंगी। सैनिक सम्मान के साथ उनके पार्थिव शरीर को सैनिक अपने कंधों पर वनवा के हवाले करेंगे। फिलहाल के लिए बाव द्वीप का हर कोना उदास है। फूलों के बीच उनके शव को रखा जाएगा। परिवार और मित्र उन्हें अंतिम विदाई देंगे। इसके बाद उनके जो शव है उनका अंतिम संस्कार जो है किया जाएगा।
We now get to see an inside view, a glimpse into the sacred area of the Vatanawake, one that will be a moment of pause for the body of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau. We are now witnessing the birthing of the vessel before the casket of the late president will be formally received onto the island, back to the Vanua and to the chiefly home from which he came. In the next few moments, we'll witness the careful and dignified transfer of the casket, accompanied by military honors from the Republic of Fiji military forces, before it's borne onward to the Vatanawake.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is where you see the combination of military tradition and custom, Fijian custom and tradition, the unifying of the two customs, where there's a entertainment of Fijian custom into the military culture and tradition. As the body is being marched in to the Vatanawake, from there the Vanua would take over until such time where we transfer the body from the Vatanawake unto the Sautabu, and at the Sautabu is where the Vanua takes over, while the military would round off its accordance of protocol and marching away from the Sautabu back into the mainland.
And this is indeed something that is very special and very unique, because in many parts of the world, former heads of states are not accorded this sort of protocol or a blending of culture and military honors. This is something that we see here in Fiji, which means that the Vanua and the military and the armed forces would have had to have talks to ensure that no lines were blurred, but that both parts were given equal importance and significance.
Absolutely, Geraldine. The Fiji is such a unique place where there's a blend between military culture and the traditional protocols. Like the daughter of the late former president and Commander-in-Chief and Commander of the Republic of Fiji Military Force had mentioned in her eulogy that we were the first to turn up the day after the passing away of His Excellency. That in itself demonstrates the commitment of the military in honoring the late President, Commander-in-Chief and Commander of the Republic of Fiji Military Force. Deceased that has been carried onto the ramp. And if you notice, there is a turning of the pallbearers. That simply for them to be able to, the head of the deceased to be faced frontwards. And we see the naval pallbearers being at the forefront of the casket, and the army at the back, and again signifies the seniority of service for the Navy within the Republic of Fiji Military Force.
We've just witnessed the casket and the body of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, now brought to the Vatanawake as it lies in pause. We saw the pallbearers set him down and the catafalque party that has now taken their watch, their final vigil over him before the Vonua takes over for Sautabu, with the final resting place that will follow after this.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see the guards for the funeral procession marching off to take a break while the body lies at the Vatanawake. Again, we see a blend of military tradition and traditional protocol coming to the forefront of this funeral procession. As the catafalque party take post, they will stay in the vigil posture until the pallbearers return to move the body to its final resting place. And as you see on the screen, the guards are marching off, where they will take a break and return for the final rites in the next hour or so.
Dasari the tikuna non rasa karabutin leni matibalu indon iwaswasi ni bingaravi kilaitin kina na matibalu ni non tabanua ena non ra tabaki na ngonra na ituki den songlava mai matasau sangai dolati mai kadurumaki na burre Vatanawake melaki ndavo walegalega kutkina ni berni nangai wadabari ni bondua na dagdaka na numitiko menangravi ana dagdaka ni wakasukan gele ena kabindindai erse tomani tinga na matibal non ngaraba non ritavi ena ngonongo ena kena nravitinga na ngonra na ituki na isongala era ndasana rital tiga na ngonongo na nonra sa takos toka na mate ni mbure Vatanawake na turanga na tuitonga ke na ngoni turanga lilai ena isongala.
भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति का पार्थिव शरीर उनके निवास स्थान बाओ द्वीप पर पहुंच चुका है और ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है कि मानव समय भी इस दुख में थम गया है। मिट्टी से अपना यह शरीर जो बनाया गया था आज मिट्टी में मिलने की तैयारी में है, लेकिन रातु एपेली नैलातिकाउ ने अपने कर्मों से जो कीर्ति कमाई है वह कभी भी नष्ट नहीं होगी। मृत्यु केवल शरीर का है और इस विचारधारा का नहीं जिसे रातु एपेली ने अपने खून पसीने से सींचा है। इस अंतिम संस्कार के दौरान उन्हें 21 तोपों की सलामी भी दी जाएगी।
Various dignitaries and mourners, those of the diplomatic corps, those of the state, those of the nation have all gathered for a final farewell. Moments ago we had seen His Majesty King Leopold VI of Tonga amongst those who were there, not merely as part of protocol, but also with ties to the family, as this is family farewelling one of their own.
Dasa revir tiko na ngoni buli ena korni buli na Bao District School ni rasa ndambe ngalu-ngalu sartal tonga era warita tiko na nonra lolosi kay na bororoko. nan ratalavi tiko na ito ki na isongalara. Na wakanda sarong toka na vosa ni vanua, mai vera na turanga na rokutu imbau na matakongo na lotu ni vitalavi, raka wakandeo takatiki ni ndua ni tukutuku, ni sandra bunrobua ombau. Saki ni mbale sanga ni arsaba nandaku, endua na turanga. Rabutini au na vika todo osar ni nandambula na lina vanua. Na nandandau veka uitaki, matandrenre, ndavi vambula taki, ndavi talanoa, ndavi waisi itaka soni tukutuku, merau tukina ni vakaseavu taka na nandalama doada ni samai vadabari na dakadaka na ndona singa. Na turanga sanga ungo era kileita ni ena vikao ya. Na kena ireirai, sabakan dindina taka tiko na matin itu, sabakan dindina taka na matin ibe matin itu, era baka pali bola ina nonda panua, sa rabakan dindina taka sa rabakaliu. Na wekanda, anu lei ungo, embau ina non tiko na vuni valu, turanga mbali na vuni valu, na tikamba. Daraida ni dinangani rasenga ni tiko na turanga mbali na vuni valu, sa tiko na tavindra, Ratu Josefa de Lua Vakombau, rasavi sumitagi tiko, yana kiana ngaravi tiko na dakadaka ni veli utaki, yana vuni tiko matewe langi, kawakina yana vono kumbuna. Rasa ava sartal ngayani na vulangi sureti, sarasanga ni mbasika ni na turanga na president ni nonda vanua, ya ersavi sumitagi na iliu ni nonda matin itu, keira era sureti, vulangi sureti, mer laki tiko, ena iwiti ni ngauna, ni sara na marui kina vandua, kena ena Sautabu, na itauke na isongalada, Ratu Epeli Nailatikau.
भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति स्वर्गीय रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ के घर के अंदर माहौल काफ़ी उदास से भरा हुआ है। जो घर के परिवार वाले हैं अपने प्रियजन को अंतिम बार उनके जो शव है उनको निहार रहे हैं और यह एक बहुत ही व्यक्तिगत क्षण है जहां राजकीय प्रोटोकॉल और साथ में सैनिक मर्यादा एक तरफ हो जाती है और केवल अपनों का अटूट प्रेम शेष रह जाता है। फूलों से ढका उनका जो शव है शांति का प्रतीक है जो एक कर्तव्यनिष्ठ जीवन जीने के बाद प्राप्त होती है। कुछ देर बाद सैनिक अधिकारी फिर से वापस घर के अंदर आएंगे और उनके जो पार्थिव शरीर है उनको घर से बाहर ले जाएंगे ताकि उनको सौताम्बू ले जाया जाए जहां उनका अंतिम संस्कार होगा।
Se kongori na buro Vatanawake sa dhoko in rauna vida tuna kena irai ena ngonongo ena kena mai vavina kataitinga ba sulumi bautali ena lomani madhawa ni mber ninge ngaraviti kona songo ni beitaladi ndendai wano munditunga na lomani rara lomani koro kawakakena nonra sentambe wano munditunga na lini vanua irana vulangi sureti merawar katinga na iwiti ni waswasi ni vengaravi vavanua ena dhadhaka ni vasukangele ena ekabendindai ena loma ni vatani tawaki enda na revitiku non rasanta bitiko na maramba rambika maina matangali tuikamba malui rasartaltinga na maramambali na rokotin reketi roti mumu kepa ni ukautalesu dai tukutuku veitavini na mbunrau na vovale na nonra vovale na marambali na rokotin reketi ke na nonra vovale na itauki na isongalada andi litia dhakombau ki andi te mumu dhakombau ana vuna kotikina na isiama ni vovale mai na isongalada ke na nonra vovale na marambali na rokotin reketi.
फिजी का जो ध्वज है आज केवल एक ध्वज नहीं उस गौरव का प्रतीक है जो भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ ने अपने खून पसीने से सींचा है। परिवार के सदस्यों की आंखों में दोनों गर्व और दुख का अद्भुत मिश्रण है। आज रातू एपेली अपने घर की दहलीज को अंतिम बार विदा करेंगे।
Dari reti ko nandona ngona leklek sau itina non ranta biti ko ngoni bulia na Bao District School ena lomani rara ena itukutuku ni non rabuli na turanga na itu ke ni songlada era sivira kisaranga en korni buli na Bao District School nimbera nirangai laki bakuri non rabuli kinan Rayamba Fijian School Levuka Public School kin kornibuli may matabatulo na Queen Victoria School karla kia dawsara na itutu ni beluta ki na kornibuli ya era head boy ni kornibuli na Queen Victoria School.
You're right about what you said, Watsoni, as we had witnessed the procession and the cortege make its way to the Vatanawake amongst those that are seated around Bao Island with heads bowed in reverence, bordering on a solemnity that just takes over you. We had seen many young Fijian faces, young children who are also students of Bao District School. They were still, they were attentive, they were bearing witness, which is very different from how you would see children in Fiji interact, so full of life. Their presence there is more than just ceremonial though. It is deeply symbolic, for it was here in these same grounds of learning that the young Ratu Epeli Nailatikau had once walked as a student himself, long before the titles, long before the service, and long before the weight of national duties fell squarely upon his shoulders. And so, as we witnessed, they sat in silence. They are not only paying respect, they are part of a living continuum. A reminder that legacy is not confined to memory or to monument, but it's carried forward in the lives that follow. In their quiet discipline, in their reverence, there is a powerful echo that the values that he embodied, service, leadership, humility, do not end here. They endure, they are passed on, and it shapes those who now walk the path that he once began.
Se kongorina Sautabu o luina deva. Na vanua erna laki maruiki na vantua na ngonra na turanga na itauki na isongalala. Sa maki babi na katu ar sa tu nambauta merang karava na nonra takataka me waka e nonra ilis e vavanua. Na vingarabi ni mateivalu na oituitini nonra vingarabi e sana tavotok nga e nandona vanua ni ber ni rtu sanangai me i kautan na yango ni mati asena yangonra na turanga itu kini songla da nambauta kina vanua merna laki marui kina vandua.
As we had seen just a few moments ago, that was the site of the Sautabu, which will be the final resting place for the late President Ratu Epeli Nailatikau. Before that, we had also witnessed ladies bringing in heartfelt wreaths of flowers, fragrant with perfume, that will be laid near the casket, and it will also be there as part of the proceedings later on. The teams that had arrived at Bao Island earlier today spoke to members of the public and members of the Vanua to see how this had affected them, how they feel about losing one of their
Samantara nom ni go vale na lomania mianungo.
Oh, isa na.
Kina nom ni tabi babanu na lomania.
Oh, ana nong tabi nga babanu, o vilu ta kena na nungo. Iya. Go na soli soli viau, na buni balu, turang buni balu saram bale, kena marama meni song lado. La kotiko mea, ena tin ka dio 70, me ka tingo. O lito kir tingo. Yang ana nong tabi babanu. Yendo don nyoyau o na matangali tikamba. Indo na songo ba turanga bango endo weando satu seranga na ruto na matangali turanga. Toti ko na turanga, toti ko na marama. Na lewan ni ka sana no to yo nakababanoa tiko ruto na masau na banua ke ruto na matakimbao. Ni zaka dona sa goni na redor tunga na tulung wer to na mabukti kim me menandambe ke detiko iya nei tabe ba marama mir sa kilati ngana ka ndo vai dori mailiu me da batika ndai non retavi ni sa dona turanga embale kim me sa tebu sarangan siga me sa vivo sululolo yang ga itiko na non retavi ng bika iya bika ya tona tiko na tikamba tona vanua to me na marama ni nombo waki na rara era me bika tiko era na ando na yaua visau do tale la komai visau do ngana yaua yang go bika tiko go me do na singa ni mataka ko ngaya ni me mita vini do na tiko ngawir na tiko ibali kurro tiko irna tiko ilamani Vatanawake. Dona vango sartunga no irna gatsni vale. Wir sakila tunga na non retavi. Satunga na non redui matin katumba. Erna langa mera durukin. Iya. Kime me kede ke imbongo tiko na vanu era langa mesas. Sentar ngai dona ka kem sa varau kim kila kede tu ne varau. Iya kaya. Tiko ngaur tu nang gasi vale me mate ni tiko na kene na isong lada. Era tu ke dia. Indora kaya ira lako mai sakila ngana kaya nanon rita. Gaisi di kambuli ngo mailiu me da batika dindai. Misam unda na yang on to na turanga. Misa na utia sarana gai bulwe. Sana gai tiko endua. Nena gai na utia sana sona katumba. Tapun mera durukina. Sarana gai tiko na marama. Nena lista la mena ilako idake. Nena gai me da kanan dola ni katumba. Dola ni katumba sini pa Vitalia. Me vango, na turangan go me na isang lava. Dola ni katumba, na may dola na Crown Princess may tonga. Yan ni kami baleta na maramang go, sa baruta kirito. May ado saray na dola ni katumba. Ya, ila kiri baro iliu, sabi sa wanang wanang dindaye, iliu do tu saranga mai dola mana katumba, sobai tumba. Lista mai ke boka utua ya o ya una tu. Da sing tal lago mai talova sobai tumba lago ma. Dam tal ke nei rambe dam. Sa menda me sa ngai lago mai na tu tak mengun. Yendindai sa sen. Go sa na lago ngana Crown Princess dola na ka koto me na kam nang dambe. Sana tu takiwa na ngon. Erua nga ngono. O kuenga kina no matani banua sauti. Ya na kami baleta na ngono maramang gosa. Ke baka ando wala kung gundo wala itamaka. Sa set kito. Iya. Sana utingaya sana gain tambe tokai. Siren tu kali bang golako. Sa nagay ba taw sarang ano ngono sana gay bela ko ke. Misala ko ya sana gay zo kina kami baleti ko. Kami may batin tawa ka inay sang lat.
Nakana na por tekna por que me va dar sa sete ku sara mena mado sauti que me sapa para usar na ritungo sa totoka mado kono tuna lumirara que na Vatanawake na totongo kwenta kungu sa totoka tuna kenererai sa ukute ki ochi asa te ku telanga nambong ina bikambika que na papara na bahan na kaumina yang we tokene sonada na buku ni pakasanga arasa papara tuna tu sa tega butu menambong ina musu kena pakasanga me na pakini kina na lako ke na lako cuma kena bulang itu kai na Dignitary na VIP kena bilu tekini bi matin tu ka batalanga kena oir na lino bono erna mai pakini kina ena sinendai karali utaka cuma pasang karena mati balu na erna mati balu kara besi macu mikir erna maramike sa nongo sa tu bara utu kina na bono hukum buna ena kena viding gomi na ena basi ka tukumba na turanga tunia ena mata ka dai kena turanga kaliu ena kito sapa baru kena bonu me raunang kalubi ena walim bos na uli wak kota kaya ilo manirara rauna mengalubi kina na itu butu ngani bapa rau tempat ada no visa keda ne vali sisi pa matintu era sa tuke tungon tempat no visa tempat no mati bol tempat ni bula ortuna tambani manu ne kena vaso sapa warete lore manu kunin dona mati kina sabora taki tu irana skap holin todo merna mi dingo mi kena irana bi lago bonua na lago mi leida con robe langa bisi na lago talanga ne mati tu na lago liu tu mena turanga na prime minister na bunu merna mi bagai kina ni adu ni na pa dulu kina na bia na paskon gela na Sautabu sana durunga non romatin katuba imbongo tukina na bia matin katumba ke divici na bali sabi na bali na turanga mene songalada na non retumbu turanga o Ratu Epeli Nailatikau o mona tibu maida kena ni tu maida kena na turanga vuli balu sambale na turanga vuli balu sambale ko suli beach ki pertania o Ratu Seru Bau e tolu na lubiana tangani ko engasi o Ratu Epeli Nailatikau tarabo Ratu Timmo di tabana banua ko ngon tundu o Ratu Sesafa de lua ko e karua ni tangani o Ratu Timmo di tabana banua anga indo na lubiana eleo Angelitia da Bau Angelitia da Bau ko ngai batoka ikina na Cornwall mai sawani na Angelitia da Bau school Angelitia da Bau na Angelitia da Bau ko Angelitia da Bau sangale lawe dona lako kini tonga anga ro mani volubin taka na tuitonga e volubin taka na maramango o King Tupu the second o King Tupu the second go romero na mero vinga neni half brother no me nona half sister chico o Queen Salwati o King Tupu sangai sudumikina na turango Ratu Epeli Nailatikau ko embasi ka mikina na nalu na nalu vira te timo no o Ratu Epeli Nailatikau o Ratu Epeli Nailatikau o Ratu Vatanawake wate kei Ratu Keni Wesawa. E na siama ni vioka ni na vuvale mai ni songrada ke na vuvale pakatui mai tonga. O na tui tonga ko tikungo mero vivungoni. Wate na toki ni songrada. Na toki ni songrada me vungwana tiko na tui. The King Tupou the Sixth. Na vungwana ngo. Wate kei Princess Pirolevu. Non rau uncle o na toki mini sangala. Na wale.
Naka na wawarau wawarau tikina na punua sabab na walan matintu nonra sulit mena nonra bailis-lis orto na tamban ni hobisa orto na matay sauni matay walu orto na authority na EFL orto na Vodafone orto na tamban ni bula meron may reta na ngada ni Vingarabi na puno e kem ron may sama kina may titi bakimina kina na sokong.
Diba kita marsaka na nakena barutaki nakakana nakena barutaki ni yaukeve nama kichichikina na songa na sihanai.
Nakena barutaki na kakana bibuki kina na matintu na lamani matanggali na mene songlava yana kena warute kena na kakan ni duanga na yana bakasang leo babina tingin na ruto na matay walu ni Solemn ruto ibale sili bibu kena wasangari na wasanga na kito na makitiko me rangole mai donon tulu liman rau kina ronon tulu na liuni ponua orto na diplomatic ko erna VIPs rutambe kay don ro lima sang hulu kinan donan raw ko kito babaro chukina
Wada bana nan rangkarep nan toni polo tutu ni goen don na ngau nan bimbi lo maniamianu dareda bito sa taki ni bibasala taki ber nan toni polo tutu
basal tinga na vena itu sa tuani virtual polo tutu na bina sa kire mertola kamay na Ministry of Information wate kerto na leoni ni tuku erna tambani media me ke me mai la mai mentona vital no si briefing da do's and don'ts ni no e varuta kina no e la kobi avsar na Sautabu ya sa sultal chunga na ngala virto na media mera kawatakana kena santa po chungkona turanga mbali me turanga me nesongla I Vatanawake me lebutuna leuni bono erbe saraba na kaya to jugilam e soli ketana ngala labir na media outlet me sini vandu ndi takendo kawatakana na itikon na bimbul ngone turanga me nesongla
kala kani be baritak sebenarnya may kabanondoro betalano na matak ni sibana kanday
yo nakapali po na matintu na ponua non rata-kata bata na balis-lis na kena sangay may nanggarabi na kana suguni pasok ngeli wana turang may sanglaka nakasarwa.
Hearing from people of the Vanua of the island recalling interactions and stories, links as well with the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, as we now see before us the final resting place that is prepared before the final burial of the former late president. His casket and his body currently lies in the Vatanawake as we see on screen. Now we go back to earlier this morning for those that may have missed out. During the state ecumenical church service that was held at Albert Park in Suva, there were many tributes and remembrances that were put forward, and one such tribute was from the Fiji government, the Honorable Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji, Honorable Sitiveni Rabuka.
Ina vole bune serre. Ni baba kosin tonga Suva. Your Majesty, the King of Tonga, the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Tonga, the Honourable Lord Whakawhenua, Honourable Members of Parliament and cabinet ministers, Your Excellencies, members of the diplomatic corps, chiefs and members, the Matantu Turanga, Vavanua, Kumbuna, Burmasanga, Kenatawat. The clergies assembled here today, the family of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, citizens and friends of Fiji. I stand here on behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, the government, and the people of Fiji. In Ecclesiastes, you find the wisest man who ever lived talk about the changing of times and seasons, words which are often spoken at memorial services such as this. And I quote, "A time to be born and a time to die, a time to weep and a time to laugh," end quote. Today marks for us a changing of the seasons as we gather solemnly to honor the life and legacy and farewell a gentleman, a distinguished leader, a chief, a soldier, a diplomat, a mentor, a husband, and a father. The late former president, His Excellency Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, was one who was proud of his heritage and his nation, carrying its noble banner blue to the very end. A devoted servant of the people and a proud son of Fiji, whose compassion reached far beyond titles and ceremony. His Excellency Ratu Epeli Nailatikau was a man who wore many hats with dignity. As president, he upheld the highest office in the land with humility. As Speaker of Parliament, he guided that house with wisdom. As a former commander who served his nation with courage, and as a chief who embodied the values and traditions of the people of this land. 20591, Brigadier General retired Ratu Epeli Nailatikau began his career in the Fiji military forces on the 21st of January 1962. In 1963, he was commissioned as a second lieutenant after successfully completing his commissioning courses at the New Zealand Officer Cadet School in Waihuru, New Zealand. In 1976, he completed the Australian Army Staff College course in Queenscliff, Australia. He attended and graduated from the Australian Joint Services Staff College in Canberra in 1980. Within the ranks of the RFMF, he led with quiet strength, earning the respect of those who served alongside him and the trust of the nation that he so faithfully protected. He was a leader who understood that true command is not exercised through authority alone, but through leadership by example. He inspired loyalty and discipline, instilled pride, and upheld the highest traditions of military service. His legacy is etched in the history of our forces, but also in the character of the men and women that he led, men and women who continue to serve in the forces today. Beyond his career, Ratu Epeli answered the call of national duty at the highest level of leadership. Even as he walked the path of statesmanship, he remained grounded in the values forged during his years in uniform: humility, integrity, and an enduring commitment to duty and unity. In spite of all his achievements, what he will be remembered for and missed most is his ability to remain calm in times of adversity, his sense of humor that never failed to lighten the mood, and genuine approach and care for the people. His life was one of service. From the disciplined ranks of the military to the halls of leadership, strengthening his resolve to work for peace and prosperity for all, to be the champion in the fight against some of the most dreaded diseases of our time. He understood that leadership was not about power, but about responsibility to protect, to guide, and to uplift. The former commander was a symbol of stability and continuity. He was a voice of order and fairness, and as a chief, he remained deeply rooted in the Vanua, always mindful of the customs, the people, and the generations that will follow. As a disciplinarian, he believed that leadership must be felt, not just seen. And true to that belief, he walked among people. He neither remained distant nor removed. Instead, he chose to walk the streets, to sit, to listen, and to speak with ordinary citizens. He met people where they were. He heard of their pains and aspirations and shared their realities. To those he encountered, he was not simply a former commander or president or speaker or high chief. He was approachable, present, and deeply human. He had the rare gift of making people feel seen and valued. In every conversation, he carried dignity, empathy, and respect. Ratu Nailatikau showed us that true greatness lies not in status, but in service, not in words alone, but in action. The late Brigadier General retired Ratu Epeli Nailatikau embarked for peacekeeping mission in the United Nations Interim Forces in Lebanon on the 16th of June 1978. The first time Fiji entered into international peacekeeping operations. He was the first commanding officer of the 1st Battalion of the Fiji Infantry Regiment in UNIFIL and completed his tour of duty on the 10th of July 1979. He continued to serve as senior plans officer at UNIFIL headquarters in Nakura, Lebanon. His whole military career spanned a period of 20 years, and he held appointments locally and overseas. He trained widely as a soldier, as an officer in Australia and New Zealand. In 1966, he was seconded to the 1st Battalion of the Royal New Zealand Infantry Regiment, serving in Borneo during the Indonesian confrontation. He rose steadily through the ranks and was appointed the RFMF Chief of Staff from 1981 to 1982, and then promoted Colonel and appointed Commander in 1982. He served as Commander until 14th May 1987. He was promoted to the rank of Brigadier General in 1986. He retired on the 1st of October 1987 and was finally discharged from the RFF on the 19th of February 1988. We gather here to pay our respects to a distinguished son of Fiji, a soldier, a statesman, a diplomat, and a friend. We extend our condolences to his widow, Epeli Nailatikau, his son, Ratu Epeli, and daughter, Andilitia. During his time of civilian duties, he continued his associations with the RFMF. And today, we pray that God will grant him eternal peace. Amen.
From one statesman to another, from one military man to another, from an officer to another, and from a man that serves the nation to another. Heartfelt words from the Honorable Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka, speaking of the life and the legacy of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau.
यह बात कोई याद नहीं रखता है कि हम कितने साल तक जिए या इस बात में हमने कितने लोगों को छुआ है। रातू एपेली एक विशाल पेड़ की तरह थे जिसके छाया में हज़ारों ने आश्रय लिया था। आज वह पेड़ गिर चुका है, लेकिन उनके द्वारा बोए गए बीज छोटे छोटे पेड़ उगाने की राह पर है। रातू एपेली की काया सफ़र अब उस पड़ाव की ओर है जहाँ से वे इतिहास के पन्नों में अमर हो जाएंगे। आज केवल एक शरीर का संस्कार नहीं है, बल्कि एक ऐसे युग का समापन हो रहा है जिन्होंने आधुनिक फिजी की तस्वीर बदली है। रातू एपेली ने अपने जीवन के हर एक क्षण को राष्ट्रीय हित के लिए जिया है और उनका मानना है कि एक ऐसे खाली स्थान को अब जन्म दे दिया गया है जिसे भरने में पीढ़ियां लग जाएंगी।
Darunga fitinga na tukutuku membaleta na nonda tukutuku na turanga nili nanda matinitu na bukutinga ni nonda viva do tekitiko e nandua nambula sayanga bole usara na nonda matinitu na bosa ni viva do taki me viva do tiki nandua nambula sayanga bole usara yani tu ni matinitu kabakakina and itubutuba erlewanga merava itebitigirkina turanga na itoke na songlava.
The committal of Ratu Epeli Nailatikau at Sautabu carries particular weight, reflecting not only his chiefly lineage, but also a lifetime of national service across the military, the government, and diplomatic spheres. His journey, which moved between the domains of tradition and modern statehood, finds his final return here to a place where chiefly identity is not only symbolic, but it's also foundational. For those that may not know, within the protocol of Sautabu, The burial is conducted under the guidance of the Vanua's custodians, whose responsibility is to ensure that every rite is performed in exact accordance with tradition. Their role is both protective and spiritual, safeguarding the integrity of the transition as the deceased is entrusted back into ancestral care. We now take a moment to reflect on the state ecumenical service that was held earlier today at Albert Park in Suva, a gathering that had brought together the nation in prayer, tribute, and remembrance. It was there during the Vanua Remembrance that the Rokotuimbao Ratu Timothy Tawana Vanua spoke with quiet authority, grounding the ceremony in traditions and chiefly obligations of Bao. His words carried the weight of lineage of Vanua and of the enduring ties that bind the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau to his people. And as we come to you now from Bao Island, where the casket rests at the Vatanawake, we will see that continuity unfold. For now, we go back to the eulogy that was delivered.
Osaka. The President of the Republic of Fiji, His Excellency Ratu Epeli, and the First Lady, Emily Lalambalabu. His Majesty the King of Tonga, the Royal Tonga Household, President of the Republic of Nauru, His Excellency David Ardang, former Presidents of Fiji, Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji, former Prime Ministers of Fiji, His Lordship the Chief Justice Salesi Temo and Mrs. Temo, Speaker Tuvalu, Honourable Iakomba Italei, Speaker Vanuatu, Honourable Stephen Felix, Kemenina Turangani Vanua, Cabinet Ministers, Assistant Ministers and Members of Parliament, Dean of the Diplomatic Corps, and Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Archbishop of the Catholic Church, His Grace Peter Loy Chong, the Vicar General of the Anglican Church, Reverend Orisi Wuki, Reverend Anil Rubin, Assistant General Secretary, Methodist Church in Fiji, heads and members of the disciplined forces, school students and teachers, family members, members of the choir, PRC and Centenary Choir, members of the media, and fellow Fijians. Kando kai vea mo tūrai kisaka na matakani kua. Me mo i tūra tiko na wasa, me malata tiko, e na vuku ni Vanua. O watulo saka tiko, i nongu wale lewo I kumbuna, ki wana wuni walu na tui kamba. I mburi masanga, ki wana ngane marambale na rokutini riketi na wuni walu, na matentunga nga wiokaini na tōwata, randambi tiko na turanga na tui wakau, na wuwu ni wano wako unrobe. Sa tambalesi na nduru vesi mai kumbuna, sa mai lala o nei songolada. Na singani kua e na singani le stele mai. Ni nreo o malolo e na kawini kua e sa si au se oti wata na lotu ni wakawini vinaka ka wakakina na wakasumbungele e sanda na reitai ala lo takatunga na wei ka keve e adani kua. Na mbule ni wei tamata e tau wata tau loko na keni tini. Ia, na wei tukutuku ni nona mbula. Ka wakakina na ngauna e mai wawe ngukina e ndau tuku ni koea. E rasa mai ndabo ngalu toka na tau kei nei songolava. Ka tukuni e rasa ratunga na nona mbula na kena sa rui ramba I levu ka vei tarai. E rasude na kalimani tulai na tini ka dio wasa wulkandua. Kara ka toli ni lubenra o ratu etuate tungi I Vakumbau na turanga mai nei songolada sa ambale wata ke andi wasi mada tuimbure levu mai na matangali ia busarandave mai mbau. O ratou na tavinra, o ratu Timodi tawana manua, ratu Biliame Fouki Moana, Leoni Misi, ratu Tuaki Tau Dokana Uto, wata ke ratu Kenny Pierce Wesau. O ratu Timodi Elenga senga ia Makiono. O ratou samai wade unkeda na tavinra, ka samai woto undua tiunga, na turanga mani songlada na nguna ramai wade unkina. Na turanga nanrei tumbu, en do wi tumbere wale uwe ratou mai mbau, en ei tobo kei ni wakarau, wakambau ndina e kili ka wakasakiti. Era leo ni matangali na tui kamba mai mbau, kan do dhungia na sarawale ni dolo ni matangali ka wakakina na anu. Marama tumbu nei ratu etuate, tui bonobo Vakumbau, o andi litia Vakumbau. Kan dau kilai tunga me o andi. Nei tumbu turanga nei andi Vakumbau, o ratu Timodi tawana manua, nei kawani luwei ratu seru Vakumbau. O ratu Timodi o tinrau tupou na marama ni tonga, matani singa. E tolu na luwen rau, o andi litia Vakumbau, andi tiriana wui kamba, wata ke Ratu Epeli Nailatikau. O andi Vakumbau o tina Ratu Peni Tānoa, Angarani Walu. O andi Wikamba, e ronge Veitori, wata ke Ratu Lutunau Tui Sawau, na roko tuinraketi, Kambasi ka kina, o Ratu Chochi Dokana Uto, en dau kilei tunga me ona wasa wandua. E susu tunga mai ne songlada o Ratu Chochi, me a dhoba ningai kauwawa nui rewa, e na tinika dio tolu sanga bulu ka tolu. E mai lenga na marama tinanra, ka mai susungira tunga o andi Vakumbau. O Ratu Chochi na nonoi tumbu turanga. O ro Lady Lalamara. Na roko tuinraketi sa ambale aini. Ka kina o rote e mumu, ko sa toru tiku ni tutu, wa roko tuinraketi ana singani kua. Nei sama I tonga matini singa ve ira na huwale wakatui e matata bila katu. Tui na ngono ia o King Tupou nei karua. E rawakuluweni kino andi Vakumbau. Ka kuni taki meki na turanga mai nei songlava. Sambale o Ratu Edward Vakumbau. Nei tumbu turanga nei Ratu Epeli Nailatikau. E so soko bila ka sarutunga na semanin rani vio kanyo ia. Keni ware tikngani tiko rawa. Ni kua, na tui mai tonga, ko King George Tupou nei kaono, ka kina, na ranandi, o na nasi pau. Na matabu wale wakaturanga mai nei songalava, en dou kilai, en na vei susu, na vei mararoi, na vei yangini, se vei karoni, en dusi, en na kake de Vakumbau, kan dou tūtakatu o Ratu Epeli. En dona ka e votu saranga mai wakalewa na madongo o ea na kena ndua wata mai na vea sana keve me ramai lolosi takawata na ololo ni rarawa e sa solenga kota na buno kumbuna. E wakandei taki ni sendei tiku ngana na rani semli veokani. O we tauru talanga tiki ngongo na bukundra na turanga na buni walu mi wabi ni binaka. Ira keda na vea sana o koe ara ngoleani mera mai tiko me wasei na ololo ni rarawa. Sa mai balolo tiko ngā, ni waka nā nanu, na wei ka kewe tongai ka tukuni ka takitu, me mbaleta na nanrambula na turanga mai ni songlava. Ni sa kawe tiko na tauke ni mbula, na ndau ni wei mbuli, e na ndoma rongo leo kakaya ko tamata bilaka kandina ko sandina e na wei kai vida ngā. O sa lesi ko molewa na wei kai wunga thuru ki na marau ni nomu turanga. Na tōkei nei songalada, e kilei tani, e na vengaravi mbaudo kona ka vevekia. E ngali waka wani mangi, ka veiduru maki, na veibonu e so e rawata mbula kina. E waka rongoia ka veve mbue kina na nana rotini, ni vengaravi, e na nanda panua koviti, e na wasa pasifika, ka salava yani, e so na vei ya sai wura. Sa mboi ya wasara, na nana rabuni misi. Na wuni langi ni ndua na mbula yanga, e ratumbe na tu. Kani vengaravi kei na tutu vere, e so e sara e adowa, kanda rawa ni tukuna, ni ongo e ndua na tangani dina, ka turanga ganga ni nonda vanua. E na kune waka ia loka ni ndilio, me na dhandra tali mai e ndua na turanga, me wakatagira. E turanga dina, turanga ganga, turanga do wasa wakandandonu. Ongo e so ni wakarau, ni tiki ni nonda mbula, e na nonda kautira sombu mai, me rawai malawai ke na wei matatamata ke denga. E sana oti, na tumbale, e na soulani koro. Sana sengatali ni rongo na domo, ni sere ni sisili mai wai nandoi. Sana lala na wali ni veitau ose. Sana lala talanga na wali ni kari kotiku i muringoka. Owe wasenga wali lei ndona ndua rou vivolo kai tisara ndini ni via waki tokana no ro embaki limbula. A taronga na turanga mane songlava. Na vava na vuna ni ndole mbeti o sekina. Ni sa lebutu na nomu ni silini o wakai tutu rongo i viti kei wura ni turanga lebu o ni presidenti talanga angai vana. Na vanua ngori e sengi ni nonra vanua nonra vanua na sengi ni vaka ka senga talanga na nonra silini. Sangai vango na nonra somo mai na turanga mai songlava. Au senga ni lokova na silini na vei tutu vere pakamatentu wilikina na matai walu na presidenti na longu tutu pakavanua. E vunga na ngauna endo kauta tani na longu vinakate me o iau ngā wataki au. E so na ngauna ondo vinakate me mbiu watiki manta na vei tutu vere au sai adova se rawata me Bao Epeli mandanga. O wakambauta ni ongo ni waratengi dina ni turanga enda mai talava tiko na mataka ni kua. Na keni o te tinga na dona songo avaka mai ni anu ena vida na baki saoti rangole talanga na turanga mane songlava ngona sara lesu mai kina robonda batamai batkai ndona do robo rosai ava mai tai ina ndave sa torong sara na turanga mane songlava ke pakai binakate me ona ngole badava se ona bondo wasisanga senga mai mendoro ngole bat rosa ngole bat tigani sa ya do mbeka i nandali sa taro sara na turanga mane songlava ongon ni vei ongon ni saka ni nabuni mona mai berat ongon saka ni nabuni mona so dinde vale lai sa taro mai na turanga mane songlava mai berata sandeng rituani langoni mo sandeng ritungani sa loko batani kena vida di wasani viva kolunga taki angi pa madal taka soroko ene sema mole timbau ke berata sa royado no sori atuna sarwangoka na dorbungo mesa sombunga angai tuna senga ono le bosumbori ke sa rivale mole timbau ne senga vandua nin ruka ve berata sangai lei sombu sa rivale na monengo sa kinda dala mai non le rivale ni sa kele tueni sa reva ni sa dami tingalo lo menlori na turama ni songlava ya ngona na matangali warau e tiko wana turanga ngo e rau tunga turanga do siro wande takatunga na biokani ni mai tiko mai ndo tunga kino ngo itabele kalaka membale tiko ngana non rambula turama ni songlava o sana bosar do tal tunga ngo itabi metumoni no bosa na matangani kua no lo bosi tiko ba peretania Lamentations chapter 22, verses 23 and 24. The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases. His mercies never come to an end. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. The Lord is my portion, says my soul. Therefore I will hope in him. I stand before you today, the representative of a family in grief, in a country in mourning. As we mourn and grieve the loss of the Turanga Mane Songlava, we thank the Lord that in him there is still hope, as he is the author and perfecter of our faith. Every man's life ends the same way. It is only the details of how he lived and how he died that distinguish one man from another. Ratu Epeli Nailatikau was one such man. What message then can I give as a close relative who is almost 17 years younger and even less of his stature, complemented by his considerable accomplishments as a matter of public record? It is a more remarkable tribute to him than I can ever hope to offer him today. We are all united in our desire to pay our respects to the late Turanga Mane Songlava, but rather in our need to do so. For such was his extraordinary appeal that the thousands of people taking part in this service via television and radio who never actually met him feel that they too have lost someone close to them.
We now return to Bao Island, where the air itself seems to have softened, heavy with meaning, still with anticipation, as preparations quietly unfold and people gather for the beginning of the Sautabu. At the Vatanawake, where the casket of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau now rests, there is a stillness in there that feels almost sacred, not empty, but full of memory, of presence, and of all that has led to this final moment of return. As we see now, members of the RFMF and the Navy take their posts as they will be part of the final farewell for a statesman, for a serviceman, for a family man, and also one of the nation.
Sa rabit ko yan non rasa sukalesu kina matenimbure Vatanawake na leoni mativalu ni nanda banua waka kina beir na leoni mativalu wai erna iutu itini wakaroko wakaivalu warotaki kandong karabi beira kilai ka veluita ki nandona ngauna sanga walenga yana lamani mativalu ni nanda banua wakaki na yana itutu ni veluita ki wa matenitu.
भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ के पार्थिव शरीर को दफन करने से पहले अंतिम रीति रिवाज के लिए रखा गया है। कुछ देर बाद उन्हें साउताम्बू में दफनाया जाएगा। आपको बता दें कि साउताम्बू बाओ द्वीप का एक पवित्र स्थान है जहां बाओ के उच्च सामंतों को दफनाया जाता है। भूतपूर्व रतु एपेली ने लगभग 60 यानी 60 सालों तक फिजी की सेवा की थी, जिसमें सेना, डिप्लोमेट यानी कि कूटनीतिज्ञ और राजनीति में उच्च पद संभाले थे। उन्होंने अपनी विनम्रता और मुस्कान से सभी समाजों को जोड़ा। उनका पार्थिव शरीर आज बाओ के पवित्र मिट्टी में विलीन हो जाएगा।
We're joined once again by Lieutenant Colonel Eroni Duaimbe, who will run us through the military protocols that will unfold before the final burial takes place.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see on the screen the continuous vigil that is paid by the catafalque party. The catafalque party that you see on the screen consists of 5 members of rank lower than a captain. In a few minutes we will have the pallbearers that will march into the Vatanawake and interchange with the catafalque party. And as the pallbearers take post to bring out the casket, simultaneously the catafalque party would depart from the vigil and take a rest. From the Vatanawake, the pallbearers would then bring out the casket onto the Rara and up onto the Sautabu. And with it would follow the military protocol of the paying of compliments as the casket is carried from the Vatanawake onto the Sautabu. The ceremony at the Sautabu would consist of several military protocols, where there would be the 21 gun salute and also the sounding of the last post. As previously we had shared a bit on the sounding of the last post, but I just want to just reiterate and just for the benefit of those who are just joining the live coverage, the last post is a symbol of remembrance, that haunting melody traditionally associated with funerals and remembrance ceremony. It signifies the end of the day, and in this case, coming to the end of an era where the passing away of the late former president, former commander-in-chief, and commander of the RFMF, and metaphorically, the end of life, serving as a poignant farewell to His Excellency. The bugler's role highlights the connection between the deceased and the military service, particularly for those who served in the armed forces. It honors their sacrifice and tradition, and their contribution to the nation as a whole. The moment creates a solemn atmosphere, prompting attendees to reflect on the life and the legacy of the deceased. It serves as a moment of silence and introspection during funeral service. The tradition of playing the last pose dates back to the late 19th century, originally used to mark the end of the day's activities in military camps. Over time, it became associated with honoring the fallen soldiers who have been adopted in state funerals. While rooted in military tradition, the bugle call transcends specific service branches and nationalities, resonating with people universally as a symbol of loss and respect. We'll pause there for a moment until we move on to the later part of the ceremony.
Mr. na rida sa katinguri na kaya nasambi umay pakanduan na ini witu itinangunan na mburo Vatanawake nor sa wananda kumay pakanduan ini witu itinangunan na turang na itau ki na isong alada era santa po ngalungalu karsa lebih titiko sa dalati en may virtu na matibol nanda banua kina Sautabu na banua era sana laki maru kina bantua na yung en kabindinday en yasiniti Sautabu era santa bito kina na turangan na tuitong ya en dakun na ngon na tuki ni songlada na ngoni turang lilai ni songlada kabakina na turang tadinra na turang na bulibalu na tui kampa.
Guards will form 4X. Quick! March!
ladies and gentlemen, if you've noticed that the military personnel or the pallbearers have marched off the national flag that had draped the casket. The significance of this act is the blending of military protocol with traditional Fijian protocol, and here is where the military hands over to the Vanua for the final burial rites. Mind you, there's still a few more military protocols that is to be accorded at this final ceremony, but at this stage, the military is handing over the casket to the traditional pallbearers, where they will perform the final rites.
We know that if the heavenly house of our tabernacle be dissolved, we have a building from God, a house not made with hands, eternal in heaven. As it pleased Almighty God, of His great mercy, to take unto Himself the soul of our dear brother, he had departed. We therefore commit his body to the ground, the earth to earth, ashes to ashes, and dust to dust, in sure and certain hope of the resurrection to eternal life through our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, who shall fashion a new body of our humiliation, that it may be comforted or conformed to the body of his glory, according to the working whereby he is able even to subject all things into himself. Awaronga den donondo mo melo malang sakame bia ubla kalonga kame nangau nango ere samate nir satu bateke naturan sakane alo tambu dia merbaga dengu mena non daka sa morir na non revala ko bina bina kan dendai sabak ni nuchu kina buana kelu ena non ave ndusi maki non ave lutaki, who shall separate us from the love of Christ? Shall tribulation or anguish, persecution or famine, nakedness or peril, or sword? No, in all these things we are more than conquerors through him that loved us. For I am persuaded that neither death nor life, nor angels, nor principalities, nor power, nor things present, nor things to come, nor height, nor depth, nor any other creature shall be able to separate us from the love of God, which is in Christ Jesus our Lord. Tisu tukunogaya, let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you, for I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I come again, and will receive you unto myself, that where I am, you may be also. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give unto you, not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be fearful. Samasu, turanga, kem sava bine kavi kemuni andendai. Wa bine kataki chiko nambula. Dona nomuni linga ni matau ni bengaravi na nema mi banoviti. enan dina ena taka ena vengaravi na alon dina rasama kalivi ke mami baka bina ka ke muni andendai ke mami baka bina ka takatsunga no muni ve susu no muni ve indusi maki ken no muni ve vaku kota ke baka bina ka naklo no muni mbulia dai tobo nai wala ke ni varau sama baka dina taka ke mami biar sale suya ni ke muni sama baka baranga no ritavi baka bina ka sara ena bano ni kalivi rekina no bano viti sabo ka bina ka chuki na ke muni andendai ena lama ni ve tambana indu ya ve ngaravikin em saba nui ki ba mbau to nakalo mi sa chiko na getting ni lingamuni no muni tamata mai lo malai sama sulagi na bubale ni ge bakalo ngata taka sombuta na bubale me sombutu na baka zengu ke nambula na lo muni bubale ni sangara bo chitu mai no non rita bi ni tau ke ne zonga ba bina ka taki chiko na mate valu ni viti na mata oera na no muni lumuchi sabo ka bina ka taki tamba ka ni obisa ena nonrang maroro tu mai me kene tobo kene wala era ndo kilaikina mer maroro kina era sabenga ravi ot ena loma ni nema mi bono vici na nema mi kalo ilva bina ka chuki na be kemuni andendai na bole unan raki ni baro taka mami ba ni be kemuni dona banua ke mami na daba ke dekina sanga nindu anan rombula kina ki mami saba ni ki mami na baro tiki ki mami chiku ba binaka ni ki mami na muria na be banua sa liuki na no muni tomat na ito ke ne songala kami saba ka bina ka chuki nendai ki mami masui sanga na yada tani yada ngani lube muni ko chisu ne mami turanga kai wambula amen. Public of the municipal body party will fire 3 volumes of life service.
ladies and gentlemen, as we stand still for the salute, the 21-gun salute that is being carried out at the moment. The practice of the firing of the guns as a form of honor dates back to the early days of naval warfare in the 14th century. Ships would fire their cannons to show goodwill when entering a harbor, signaling that they have come in peace. Over time, the use of gun salutes evolved into formalized military tradition to honor dignitaries, including heads of states. Different number of rounds are fired depending on the occasion, the rank and honor that is being given. In this case, the honor is being given to a former statesman, an officer, and a true gentleman. The choice of 21 rounds is significant. It is believed to have originated from the combination of various historical saluting customs and have become standardized in many national protocols. The number is often seen as a representation of completeness or significant stature. The 21-gun salute is commonly used during state funerals to honor the deceased leaders, military figures, reflecting their contribution and sacrifice. Again, this practice reinforces the solemnity of the occasion and respect commanded by the deceased. While the 21-gun salute is most often associated with American and British military traditions, Fiji is recognized this practice and perform this salute as a sign of respect at a state funeral and memorial. In summary, the 21-gun salute embodies a long tradition of military honor and respect, deeply interwoven with customs of commemoration at state funerals.
into words as we struggle to hold back emotions. The final few moments of Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, having seen the military hand over to the Vanua, where the Vanua will continue the completion of the burial rites at Sautabu. The ceremonial focus gradually transitions from the intensity of final committal to the quiet formalities that mark the closing of the proceedings. Here at the burial site of Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, this is not framed as an ending, but as a final act of return to the source of chiefly identity, a return to the ground where authority, history, and spiritual belonging converge in the most enduring form. With the completion of the burial rites at Sautabu, the ceremonial focus has gradually shifted from the intensity of final committal to the final quiet formalities that have marked the closing of the proceedings. The earth has received the casket of Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, and the Vanua has, in accordance with tradition, completed its final act of return.
Rasabadabor na matibalu na nonra itavi na roko boy balu kilitinikina na matibalu na Vanua ni rataladi indua era kilai en buturarani beliutaki ena matinitu wakakine na matibalu na wakanda sarong toka na kena rongo ena ekabendendai sakala na singa ena ekabendendai sa mimiri ba malu sartaltunga na uda ni be bakalunga taki uda ni be talavi wa indona mbule sa nga bali usara ena nonda Vanua ka wakakina na be ena na Pasifika ka wakakina ena be se burubura san romu na singa ni kua sana romo bata kina kena rongo kina kena itukutuku indona turanga ersa oda bali usara ena nonda Vanua ni rasulia na nonranga una ena bingaravi ena matangali bingaravi dabanga era boite bikina sengawalenga ena bingaravi wa matinitu ka wakakina ena bingaravi ena nduanga lewa ena nduanga ebokanga na nonrelewa era salala ona isongalada sana kune baka aloka ni ndilio na nonra baka isosemitaki ya sana mboya otunga na kenri tukutuku men nanda ubuli maikina enda sabanu ni tinga nina thandra talindo na mate ni singa bona bo vale mai ni songalada merna be isosemitaki na be singa ni mataka sandina sarna bosini buku na nandambula wakanga indona sinikau tumbu se mira taliani me baka ni sama rabi bagandua ni TikTok ni bingarabi anta saba dina takatoka ndindai saba bina kataki bagalebu na nomuni bingarabi turanga ni tauki ni songalava ninge ngole na badengu ni nonta turanga na tauki ni songalava Ratu Epeli Nailatikau।
बाओ द्वीप की फिजाओं में एक भारीपन है, एक ऐसा मौन जो शब्दों से बड़ा है। वहाँ आसमान भी रो पड़ा है। भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रातू एपेली नैलातिकाउ की अंतिम यात्रा अब अंतिम पड़ाव पर पहुँच चुकी है। राजकीय सम्मान के साथ विदाई भले ही संपन्न हो गई हो, लेकिन रातू एपेली नैलातिकाउ की यादें अब फिजी के इतिहास का हिस्सा बन चुकी है। बाओ द्वीप के पवित्र मिट्टी में आराम कर रहे इस महान नायक ने फिजी को एकता और शांति का जो संदेश दिया है, वह आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए मिसाल बना रहेगा। राजकीय विदाई के बाद अब यह समय उनके परिवार और बाओ के लोगों की मौन प्रार्थना और अपनी परंपराओं को निभाने का है। कृतज्ञ राज्य उन्हें एक बार फिर से नमन करता है।
There is an outpouring of emotions that are barely contained in the faces and the tears as they well up in eyes of the mourners that are present at the tent. We saw earlier when the widow of the late Ratu Epeli Nailatikau was presented with his insignia by the insignia bearer that was carrying it throughout the procession today. After she received it, she had a wave of emotions, and that's exactly what members of the public and viewers in Fiji and around the world must be feeling as well. All of these acknowledgements that were offered, we consider that changes the atmosphere and it shifts perceptibly. The weight of the burial gives way to a shared stillness, not of emptiness, but of completion. The emotional intensity of farewell now settles into reflection as those present come to terms with the finality of the movement and the continuity of the legacy that remains. The gathering then begins its quiet withdrawal from the burial ground, guided by protocol and respect. Movements will be unhurried, ensuring that no element of the ceremony is treated as concluded in haste. As the gathering disperses from Sautabu, what remains is the enduring understanding that the ceremony has not simply ended, it has been fulfilled. The obligations of tradition have been met, the farewell has been given its proper form, and the legacy now passes fully into memory, history, and ongoing national reflection.
O kau sabari takatiku ar sang karabuti na bauta na non takataka ni pasukan gele ni karabuti na takataka ya ar sangai tikinduru en dela ni Sautabu kar mama se kania na wani kura me warita kini samen karavirau sen karabiuti na lakadaka ne pasukan gele yana kabendinda vera na turanga itoki ni songala. Sapa binibina katingtingan na numuni sa matikong may nawikanta o ni ndobot sa may nanandang ununggo mitiko may namataka pakakin na nalong manimado todo kongo pakakin na namataka indinday sa may badawarisara pa pinaka na vingaravi waka matinitu na non ramai talaviti wa matinitu endindai na turanga na itauki na isongalava baba kausaba rei takatiko sa lala na isongalava sandana waka nunitinga ni rana dhanra tali so na kenra isosoimi mera na indus tiko weekenda na weisinga ni mataka ndari da sartel tonga uno ndabo kutiki na Sautabu ulina deva endo tani tonga na ponua ramaru ikina na turanga na itoki ni songala me bakanga na non rekerker me barorotaka ke dua banananu me mbutuka yani na yanu embau na non ritikitiko na buni balu na tikamba ka ngandreva meleki taleva na bunu era maru kutikina na turanga ni toki na isongalada sana rarosar ni ravesiko merleki sarava ni berna ni rangai sukalesu kina banua era ngol mekin saba bini bina katikitiko boli buna nomuni parong tikmai bina boli buna velingomi ni bosote ke baka na singa ni todo kasar na rai kina vika kina kakamburaki ngarabi to kaya ni na loma ni madongo pambimbitiko en singa ndai ya sa tiko ni ngarabi ni na babi na katakidaki en vesinga ni matak we kamu ni ombutambua ni kalunga sati
आज बाव द्वीप की लहरें भी विशेष शांति और सम्मान के साथ से टकरा रही है। फिजी के महान सपूत भूतपूर्व राष्ट्रपति रतु एपेली नैलातिकाउ के पार्थिव शरीर को सौताम्बू के पवित्र मिट्टी में दफना दिया गया है। यह वह स्थान है जहां पर सदियों से बाव के महान शासक विश्राम कर रहे हैं। तो अब यहां से हम अलविदा लेते हैं। मैं हूं रोनल देव, सूचना मंत्रालय की ओर से।
As we conclude our coverage from Bao Island, we close the final chapter in a week of national mourning and ceremonial farewell for Ratu Epeli Nailatikau. What remains now is a legacy, not only in memory, but in the institutions, strengthened through his service, the people he led, and the enduring place he holds within Fiji's national story. To all who have followed this broadcast, who have stood alongside the Vanua in farewell, and who have paid tribute in their own way throughout the week, we extend our sincere thanks. Nisa Modemanda, Ratu Epeli Nailatikau, Vatanawake for joining us in bidding farewell to a great chief, an officer, a statesman, and a man of the people, and the Vanua. Nisa Modemanda and Vatanawake.
I, Epeli Nailatikau, being appointed President, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law. So help me God. I, Epeli Nailatikau, being appointed President, do swear that I will and truly serve the Republic of Fiji in the office of the President. So help me God.
What does it mean to be Fijian? Clearly, we have been blessed with beautiful surroundings, fertile islands, and an ocean teeming with life. It is the responsibility of every Fijian to nurture and protect our environment, which is coming under increasing pressure. Even the youngest Fijian can play their part. If you see some rubbish on the ground or a plastic bottle lying on the beach, pick it up and dispose of it properly. We all need to do a lot more to rid ourselves of the litter that is spoiling our landscape. But just as important as our physical surroundings is the spirit of being Fijian, of thinking more about those things that bind us together and make us a nation. As we all know, we have had our challenges in the past, but I believe that whatever differences have existed have been contrived rather than being innate. That only with unity comes prosperity and a brighter future.